Today, you join me in beautiful Montserrat in the heart of Catalonia in Spain. We're going to be talking about how to drive on the right. So if you're from a left-hand driving country, you'll want to watch this video to find out everything you need to know about driving on the right. Let's get started. You're actually going to notice that you're on the wrong side of the car to begin with. And that actually creates a bigger problem than you might otherwise realize. So let's head off and I'll show you what I mean. The first thing you want to make sure you're doing every time is always pulling out on the right, because that's the first mistake you'll make when traveling. And it's the last mistake you want to make. It might be the last mistake you do make. So as I said earlier, the biggest problem you're going to have when driving like this is that you're going to be on the wrong side of the car. So that affects your lane positioning completely. Now, what you'll find is obviously you want to be on the left side of the car, on the left side of the lane. But what you'll find is that you end up drifting to the right a lot. And you'll do that a lot less as you drive more. But it's something to watch out for, because it's very easy to end up scraping things if you drift too much to the right. Most people need to watch their lane. But because you're naturally going to want to pull to the right as you drive. Now, traffic light positioning is also a real issue. In America specifically, they tend to put their traffic lights overhead, whereas in Australia we try to put them at eye level. So if you're so used to scanning a certain part of the road for traffic lights, you're very likely to miss some. And that could be quite an issue if you run some red lights or hit another car. So you want to be extra vigilant for where you're scanning for your traffic lights. Now, most people scan on eye level, just generally speaking, but you do need to also be looking at up ahead. In Spain, I've noticed that a lot of the traffic lights are at the eye level, but they're a lot smaller than the traffic lights back home in Australia. In America, I've almost done red lights. I've almost done red lights in America. It's not fun. How nice is this drive through Spain, by the way? Hit like if you like it, and subscribe, and we do videos like this every week. Now, when you're driving overseas, you're going to notice other customs. You're going to notice that some countries, say Turkey, Indonesia, basically anywhere that used to be third world, the rules are a little bit more relaxed. It's a little bit more hectic there. If you're not up for that, then maybe taxis are a better option for you.
Speaking further to European road rules, be aware that all European countries have strict alcohol limits, so don't drink and drive. In some more northern European countries, the use of daytime running lights is mandatory, and speed cameras are common across Europe, so watch your speed. In Spain, they're signed, but you should also watch out that speeds tend to change very frequently on the motorway, unlike in the US or in Australia. And make sure you get your international driving permit or IDP before travelling, as it's mandatory in the EU. You can't just drive on your local licence, you can obtain one from your local motoring society or AAA affiliate. Thanks so much for watching. Check out this video the algorithm thinks you'll like next, and if you like the video, consider giving it a like. If not, you know what to do, and I'll see you next time.